All right, today is February 5th, 2025. Jerico Matias Cruz here. I am making a Lavash bread, okay? Right now I am mixing my flour and milk. So this is my dough for Lavash bread, okay? I have the flour, all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add the milk. I already add the milk, but I'm gonna add more, okay? Then I'm gonna add the water after adding the milk. All right. So when I mix my flour, I added my salt. It's almost 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Okay. And then I added the milk. Now this is what I have after adding the milk. I did not add my water yet. All right. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna add the water. This is my Lavash dough right now. I'm adding the water. Okay. Okay, this is my Lavash dough. All right. This one I added the water. Okay. Then after this, I'm gonna let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. I'm mixing it up, as you can see it here. All right. I'm using one hand. I'm holding the video. Yeah, the electronic device on my other hand, the injured one. All right. This is my Lavash bread. Okay, I'm gonna let this set for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. I'm done mixing it up. This is my Lavash dough. Okay. I'm done mixing it. Now I'm gonna let it sit for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. So it depends the time that I come back here. All right. But 20 to 30 minutes. That's how long it's gonna stay sitting like this. And then I'm gonna start making it. Put it under heat. And make the bread, the Lavash bread. All right. My Lavash is too long. I cut it into half. Okay. This is what I see it here. As you can see it here, this is my first Lavash. Okay. All right. I just completed my Lavash bread or naan bread, I call them. Okay. So I've been tasting them. Obviously they taste flour, milk, right? Water and salt. Right. That's what I have. All right. Once again, this is Jerico Matias Cruz here. I have the Lavash or naan bread. Okay. Here, today is February 5th, 2025.